Once upon a time, in a quaint little town, there lived a girl named Lily. She was a bright and curious girl who loved exploring the world around her. However, Lily had one obstacle in her way: she struggled with English. This was a source of frustration for her, as she knew that improving her English skills would open up a whole new world of opportunities. One sunny morning, as Lily was walking to school, she noticed a flyer for an English language club at the community center. Intrigued, she decided to give it a try. When she arrived at the club, she was met with a warm welcome from the teacher, Ms. Johnson, and the other students. The club was a diverse group of learners, all at different levels of proficiency. Despite her initial nerves, Lily found comfort in knowing that she was not alone in her struggle. The group engaged in interactive activities, games, and conversations to enhance their language skills. Lily enjoyed the camaraderie and support that the club offered. As the weeks passed, Lily's dedication and hard work began to pay off. Her vocabulary expanded, and her confidence grew. She realized that making mistakes was a natural part of the learning process and that the key to improvement was to keep practicing. One day, the English club announced a public speaking competition. The theme was, "My Dream." Lily was excited but nervous about participating. She had always admired her classmates' ability to express themselves fluently, and she felt that her accent made her sound different. Nevertheless, with encouragement from her new friends and Ms. Johnson, she decided to take a chance. Lily spent hours preparing her speech about her dream of becoming an explorer and traveling the world. With the competition day approaching, she practiced tirelessly, focusing on her pronunciation and intonation. She even practiced in front of the mirror to overcome her stage fright. When the day of the competition arrived, Lily took a deep breath and stepped up to the podium. Her heart pounded, but she looked out at the supportive faces of her friends and began her speech. At first, her voice trembled, but as she continued, she found her rhythm. Her words flowed more smoothly, and her confidence grew with every sentence. To her surprise, the audience was captivated by her story and her determination. They cheered her on, encouraging her to keep going. Lily felt an incredible sense of achievement, and she beamed with pride as she finished her speech. The following day, Ms. Johnson announced the winners. While Lily didn't take the top prize, she was awarded a special mention for her courage and improvement. The experience motivated her even more to continue honing her English skills. From that day forward, Lily continued attending the English club, seeking every opportunity to practice her language skills. She also read English books, watched English movies, and listened to podcasts to immerse herself in the language. Slowly but steadily, her English improved, and she began to feel more comfortable expressing herself. As time passed, Lily's dream of becoming an explorer remained steadfast. With her improved English, she knew she was one step closer to turning her dream into reality. Her journey of learning was a testament to the power of perseverance and belief in oneself.